What's going on, guys? Just a quick video here. Just wanted to show you what comes with the Tile Ready pan, which is the round chrome. So this is included, actually. It's included with your Tile Ready pan. So if you wanted to stick with this one, you're fine. You know, it's a round chrome. All my hardware is going to be the oil rub bronze. So I decided to pick up the Tile Ready square drain plate instead, you know, obviously to match my hardware. But just wanted to show you guys, you know, it's very simple, obviously, to change out. It's just the two screws right there, and this is the new one. It comes with the matching screws. They're right there. It's going to be a little easier, you know, for me, especially. I've done a lot of tiling, but I'm not a tiler, so I really didn't want to do a circle, you know, tile around that. With a square, it's going to be easier for me, and obviously it's going to look better because all my hardware is going to be oil rub bronze. Like I said, just a quick recap. This is what you get. If this is good for you guys, you're golden because it comes with it. And that's, you know, they have different colors. They have black. You can also get square chrome ones. I think obviously the oil rub bronze. I'm not sure what else. I think they might have gold too, but you can check that out on their website. Well, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Catch you next time. Have a good one.